again.
Just a body flap. Go this. The teeth's gone in this. So watch if it's turning, watch it's not doing nothing. Now it works, see? It slips. It don't open. It works these, but that teeth's gone here.
Do it again.
It's shut now.
No, Nick, not yet.
Look, that's shut.
Go.
That's shut now. No. Stop, that's shut. Now. I'll take them out.
Motor works, we just leave them on. Just confuse the brain.
Yeah, that's done. That's
Or you have to map them, delete them. Just take them off. Oh, crap.
Nobody's right if everybody's wrong.
That's it.
Young people speaking their minds.
Stop the car now.
So much resistance from behind. Time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's rolling.
The flaps are stuck on, and the motor pushing it, but it's not. The teeths in there, it's weared out. Only plastic. You can buy a kit for them, but what's the point? Waste of fucking time. All we can do is just take them off and get delete, or map it, or make something. Just to make it easy, you say, I'm open.
Singing songs and a carry inside. Mostly say hooray for our side. It's time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going on.
Do you know about it? You got gone in the engine, did he?
Might be there. Disconnected already.
I don't know. Looks like it. Oh, what will we do then? Or then they're going inside the engine now. What's this telling them not to start?
It starts when you're always afraid. Step out of line, the man come and take you away. You better stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Stop. Hey, what's that sound?
Okay then.
What's going? You better stop now. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going. You better stop. Children, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Stop.
Anyway. Anyway. You can't see it's level, it's not level. I'll go to the next one. If you can try to get inside. Try now. Yeah. See if you can see them things not dropped in there. Oh, wait, go back one. Go back. Go the way again. Left. 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 The first one. There, go back a bit. There's one. Okay, next one. Next one.
There's two.
There's two. Okay, now go in there. No, yeah. Oh, I think they're all in there. They got stuck in the end.
Stuck in the engine. Okay, it's the problem with the flaps.
They're broken, they've gone inside.
They're stuck on the end. That's why we try to start this blocking.
Because he stops open, and then when he goes hot, he expands and he stops shut again.
Okay then.
See if we can get him out.
See if we get him out. Pliers. Okay. We'll see if we can try to get him out.
It'll be hard to get him out.
These long pliers. Very thin, long neck pliers.
Yeah, did you see? That's them. Bastard then.
Yeah. Fucking thing. Okay then. Ciao.